Congratulations on your pregnancy, and thank you for choosing Pink or Blue. Once you receive your package from Pink or Blue, there are a few preparations you must make before opening your kit. First, you must determine the date on which you are eligible to collect your sample. Go to www.consumergenetics.com and follow the link to our online pregnancy calculator. Use the drop-down boxes to select the first date of your last menstrual period and click on the Calculate Dates button. The table of important dates will show the first date on which you are eligible to collect your sample. It is important that you collect your sample on or after this date. Collecting your Pink or Blue sample before your eligibility date may decrease the accuracy of your result. When you are ready to collect your sample, please make sure there are no males around and you will not be interrupted for at least 45 minutes. The Pink or Blue test uses a highly sensitive method to detect male DNA. Having males present during the collection or interrupting the collection by answering the telephone or opening a door may contaminate your sample. In addition to your Pink or Blue collection kit, you will need paper towels, hand soap, household cleaner, and a pen. When you have gathered these materials, you are ready to proceed with the collection. Begin by cleaning the surface on which you will collect your sample. Wipe down the counter or collection area well with a clean paper towel. Next, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water. The Pink or Blue kit is packaged and shipped by female staff to ensure it is clean from male DNA contamination. It is therefore important that you clean the collection area and wash your hands well before opening the kit. Pay special attention to the fingertips and under the fingernails. Lather your hands for at least 1 minute and rinse them well. Once your hands are clean, avoid touching anything with your hands, including cabinets, doorknobs, clothing, or hair. Wipe your hands well with a clean paper towel, not a cloth towel. Cloth towels shared with male household members may contain male DNA contamination. You are now ready to open your Pink or Blue kit. Open the top flap of the kit and take out the instructions and laboratory authorization forms. Read through the instructions carefully. Place a new paper towel sheet on the clean surface. Open the side of the kit and pull out the tray with the collection materials. Remove the materials from the tray and lay them out on the paper towel. The tray contains a DNA collection card in a white pouch, alcohol wipes, bandages, and lancets. To increase blood flow to your fingers, rub your hands together and close your hands into tight fists several times. Open the white pouch and lay the DNA collection card on the paper towel. Set the pouch off to the side for now. Pick up one lancet and remove the safety cover by twisting the cover until it comes out. Do not pull on the safety cover to remove it, and do not squeeze the lever on the side of the lancet. This will disengage the spring-loaded needle. Once the cover is out, set the lancet down. Choose which finger you will use for the collection. The middle and ring fingers are usually best. Open one alcohol wipe and clean the selected finger. It is best to prick towards the side of the finger instead of the soft fingertip. Firmly press the tip of the lancet into the side of the chosen finger and squeeze the lever to release the needle. You should see a small blood drop begin to form. Turn your finger over so that the blood drop is positioned over the DNA collection card. Massage your finger from the base to the tip until the blood drop gets larger. Gently set the bottom of the drop onto the DNA card. Try not to set your finger on the card and avoid letting the blood drip under your fingernail. Continue to massage your finger until all 3 circles on the DNA card are completely filled. This is the minimum amount of sample required for the Pink or Blue test. Do not squeeze the tip of your finger to produce blood. This will result in a bruise. If blood stops flowing from the finger prick, choose another finger, clean it with a new alcohol wipe, and repeat the procedure until you have filled all 3 circles. Once you have finished collecting the sample, apply a bandage to your finger if necessary. We recommend you air dry your sample for up to 30 minutes on the clean collection surface. After 30 minutes, place the card inside the small white pouch it came in and seal the pouch. This will ensure that your sample arrives at the laboratory safely. If you are unable to dry the sample for 30 minutes without being interrupted or risking contamination, please dry it for as long as you can and seal the card in the pouch before you are interrupted. Finally, you must complete the laboratory authorization form. Indicate how you would like to receive your result on top of the card. You may choose more than one option. If you purchased standard 5 business day laboratory service, you may upgrade to express service on this form as well. Turn the card over and complete the other side. You must answer all the questions on this form. Provide the first date of your last menstrual period, and sign and date the consent statement. Returning your sample with an incomplete consent form will delay your result. Tear the card in half and keep the claim check portion for your records. This card contains your kit identification number and 2 unique codes which you can use to check the status of your sample online. Place the consent form and your sample into a mailing envelope and return to the laboratory as soon as possible. It is not necessary to return any leftover collection materials. A few important things to remember. After washing your hands, do not use a cloth towel. Use only paper towels. Do not forcefully open the lancet. This will break it. You must completely fill all 3 circles on the DNA collection card. Insufficient sample will increase the chance of an inconclusive result. Do not place the DNA collection card directly on the counter or other surface. Only place the card on a clean paper towel. You must complete the lab authorization form. Returning your sample with an incomplete form will delay your results. Thank you for taking the time to watch this instructional video. If you have additional questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. We'll be happy to assist you.